How's it going, everyone? Welcome to today's video. This is just a quick review and my thoughts over the Achilles ATR Sport tires. Now, when I was first looking at tires, I originally had, I think, some like all around general G-Max, whatever, all season tires. Before that, I had the general sport tires in the front with Michelin Pilot Sport tires in the rear. So I've gone through quite a few different setups, and this setup of the Achilles tires is by far the best that I've personally had. The general G-Max sport tires that I first had, those were good. I didn't have really any complaints. I liked them. They weren't bad. Road noise wasn't terrible. Kind of driving in the wet was kind of sketchy, but not terrible. But overall, good experience. Then I had the Michelin Pilot Sport tires in the rear. Now those tires, in the dry, perfect, no complaints. However, in the rain, it was like I was on a freaking ice rink. It was sketchy. I never felt, I guess, quote unquote, safe while driving in the rain. Now, of course, I mean, like on the highway, I was doing highway speeds. So could it be because of me and like my just driving style? Sure. But overall, as far as being planted on the ground in the rain, sketchy. Didn't like it. However, all around though, in the dry, I did like them. They were good, no complaints. Like I said, all around good. Now, these Achilles ATR Sport tires. I believe, I can't remember. One of them is the ATR Sports. I think the first version or something. And then I had the ATR Sport 2s. I think the 2s are in the rear and just the regular ATR Sports are in the front, or it could be flop. Either way, they are ATR Sports, just one of them is the 2. One of them's not, obviously. So I don't remember if it was front or rear. But overall, guys, I love these tires. I was very skeptical buying tires off eBay because, you know, just buying stuff off eBay. And they were really cheap, very budget friendly. So I was skeptical. I watched quite a few reviews on them beforehand. People definitely love using them for drifting, so that was a good sign. And then overall, other reviews of like drag racing and some track stuff I watched, and people loved them. So you got good reviews. I decided they're cheap. That's what I needed. You guys know I'm all about budget, so I bought them. And when I ran them, guys, I love these tires. Pretty much no road noise. Dry weather handling, amazing, absolutely amazing. Grip for days. And then even driving in the wet, in the rain, guys, these are seriously confidence-inducing tires, because when I'm driving in the rain, I feel like I can go as fast as I want and I'll be fine. The car feels nice and planted, doesn't feel like an ice rink. Changing lanes, I'm not floating or anything. Just overall, so I was looking at something, but overall, just I love these tires, guys. Absolutely love them, and they're cheap. You can buy them off eBay. I'm running a 225 40 19 in the front with a 255 35 19 in the rear. This whole time I'll be playing overlay clips of the cars, and you guys can see the tread pattern and all that. But yeah, love these tires. I've had them on for I don't know, I want to say 4 or 5 months now, I think. So definitely been quite a while. So far, don't notice any unusual tread wear. Everything's still looking good. And, you know, of course, in the rain, when I hit the gas and I want to spin them loose, I could spin them loose. But overall, it's grip for days. I can take corners reasonably fast, you know, in the rain. And then on the dry, oh my God, it just holds, guys. I love these tires. I will continue to buy these tires for this car because, like I said, they're cheap. And it probably even tires for future wheels I get, I will probably only be running these Achilles ATR Sports because they're that good. I love them. And that's really all I have to say. This is my quick 4 to 5 month review. I think I replaced I can't remember if I replaced my front tires or my rear tires first, but I could have swore for one of them. I've had them on for a lot longer than the other pair. I want to say I had them when I drove in the snow and they did just fine. However, this winter, since these are a sport summer tire, I'll let you guys know how these do in the snow and in the winter. Because like I said, like I've always said, this car's a daily driver. I drive it all year round, and I love driving in the snow. So those General G-Max, whatever, all-season tires I had before did perfectly fine. But now with these summer tires, it's gonna be fun. It'll be real fun. I've never gone stuck. Knock on wood. Well, that's plaster. Hold on. Knock on wood. I've never gotten stuck, so that's a good sign, right? Just power through everything. But I'll let you guys know how they do in the winter. I'll probably do another 6-month update after this of the tires and how they are and how they're wearing. And yeah, if you guys have any questions about the tires, let me know. I don't know if there's anything really more specific you guys want to know. And then if you just want to watch reviews, there's tons of other reviews of people using them as for drifting, for track use, drag racing use. Yeah, you can look up those videos, but this is just my thoughts of the Achilles Sport tires. So, hope you guys like this quick video, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.
Didn't even get to run.